how to install ink cartridges on the Epson XP 4200 and the Epson XP 4100. So first here we can see we have run out of ink. This is indicated here with the cross next to the black. So first it says check ink cartridge codes. Just press OK for next. Now it says non-printing features are available with ink expanded. Replace the cartridges now. You can say no, remind me later, but we want to change the ink cartridge and replace it, so we'll press yes, replace now with the OK button. And it says replace the ink cartridges. Press OK for next. Remove and replace each ink cartridge promptly. Delaying insertion of the new ink cartridge may cause the printer to perform additional maintenance. When it says this, don't panic. You don't have to be super quick. It just means don't be like 30 minutes or something like that. So just press that OK button to press start. Now the printer will go into setup mode and you'll hear it, and you'll see here, open the printer cover, replace the ink cartridge. So don't press OK yet, we want to replace the ink cartridges. We're just replacing the black. So open up the actual whole cover so we see the ink cartridges here. And what you want to do is locate the ink cartridge and press at the back here. There's a little tab. So if you squeeze it with your thumb on the front of the ink cartridges, squeeze that little tab at the back and it should pop easily out. Just give it a little wiggle like that and it'll pop up. Don't forget, press that little tab at the front. So now we want to get our ink cartridge. Don't forget to pull this little tab off here. Now if we pause that there, you see this little arrow that has to go at the back, and this little tab, this is what we've just earlier pressed to release the ink cartridge. So let's get that, and then you want to put it into the slot, and you should hear a click, a loud click when you press it down. Once you've done that, come back to the front and select the OK button to complete. It'll start moving left and right very quickly, and there you go. It says you have not installed a genuine Epson cartridge. It doesn't matter, just press next. It then tries telling you that the quality may not be as good and things like that. You can read that. It's never bothered me, so I just press next with the OK button. Continue using the ink and just press yes, use. And there you go. We've replaced the ink cartridge. So hopefully you've now replaced your ink cartridge on your Epson XP 4200 and your Epson XP 4100. If you found this video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.